Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I will tell you how to fix Roblox Authentication Failed Error Code 403. An error was encountered during authentication. So the first method is to go to our task manager. Now in the task manager we have to end task of Roblox game client, end task. So now we have to go to our control panel. In our control panel we have to go on network and sharing center. Now in here we have to go on change adapter settings. In here we have to click on Wi-Fi and then on the properties. Now we have to click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Now in here we have to click on use the following DNS server address. In here we have to click on 8888. Now in here we have to click 8844 and OK. And now we have to click again on this. We have to click on this and we have to click on validate settings upon exit. OK and OK. So now we have to click on close the troubleshooter. To cancel this. Now we have to go on the local app data to clear the Roblox app data. So now we have to click on percentage local app data percentage in the file folder, percentage local app data percentage. So now we have to click on Ctrl+R on the run command. Now in here we have to click. We have to type percentage local app data percentage now. Okay. So in here we have to delete the Roblox app data. So here the Roblox. Now we have to delete this. The Roblox data has been deleted. So now we have to go on our fourth step. So now the fourth step is to install the Roblox Player again. In the Roblox side we have to click on Roblox. So now our error 403 has been fixed. I am entering my details. So you can see our error 403 authentication error has been solved. So now I will play some game to test whether it's solved or not. Let's download and install Roblox. So now Roblox player has been installed. We will install this player. We have to click on yes, and now the Roblox has been connected. So thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय. Please subscribe my channel. Bye.